How to upload videos on YouTube. This is exactly what we're going to see in this video. Hi, welcome on this channel. My name is Stephanie Guillaume. I am a digital marketing strategist, and on this channel we talk about everything digital marketing and tech so that we can help you understand everything a little bit better. So let's get right into it. So the first thing we are going to do is to go on YouTube. There we go. So once you are on YouTube, you can either choose to go up top here and click on this little camera with a plus on top of it. You will see it is written. The first option is to upload a video, and the second option is to do a direct video, which is not what we want. So we are going to click on the first option, upload a video, which will then send us onto the YouTube Creator Studio. And once we are on the YouTube Creator Studio, you have this screen that appears here where you can import a video from your files on your computer and send it over to, let's go into video. Do I have anything? Yes, videos, yes. So you can then choose a video here, which will then be uploaded onto YouTube. And from there you can change your titles, A, B, C, D, E, and then write your descriptions. And then you can add your thumbnail, but keep in mind that for the thumbnail you need to first validate your account, which means that you have to have a phone number connected to your YouTube account so that you will be able to add a thumbnail. And the second thing that you will also be able to do when you validate your YouTube account with a phone number is that you can publish videos that are up to 10-15 minutes. If you do not validate your YouTube account, then you cannot upload videos that are 10 minutes, 15 minutes long, and you can not either add a thumbnail to your video. So once you are done with that, you can then choose to add your video to a playlist if you have one, and you can also add your tags, which is a little bit down below the screen. And after that you are pretty much, well, here you can add your tags, and each tag needs to be separated with a comma. And once you are done with that, you can add your subtitles and your end screens. And after that, you can then publish your video. So if I go over, so right now for this video, I have a notification because this is not a video for YouTube, hence I have a copyright infringement. But for a video which doesn't have copyright infringement, you can just go ahead and click here on publish, or you can schedule your video. But if you publish it right away, then you just choose this one and you can click on publish and you are done. And this is how you upload a video onto YouTube. I hope that this video has been useful. Do give this video a thumbs up. It helps the YouTube algorithm promote the video and push it forward to people who are looking for videos like this one. I hope that you liked the content, and do not hesitate to follow the channel. And that is it for me today. I will see you next time.